Hello, I'm Michael Kelton, and today I'm going to be changing out the third brake light on my 2002 Chevy Silverado. This one's an easy one, there ain't much to it. It's only got two Phillips screws, you just gotta take them out. Once you have the two screws out, you just kind of wiggle it out. It'll probably be stuck in there from the years of cohesion, and once you get it off like this, you'll see this little plug right here. It just comes with a just that one tab that'll pop off. You can probably do it with your thumb. If not, get a screwdriver. So that comes off just like that. Now before you put in the new light, you might want to get you a little scrubby. Scrub all the old gunk off as much as you can so the new gasket will seal properly. Matter of fact, that's the reason why I'm replacing this one, is because my old one was leaking. My son was riding in the back, and he happened to put his hand up on the liner when it was raining outside, and he happened to notice that the liner was wet, and that's how I found out it was leaking. So after you got it all cleaned up, you take a look at your light here, and it should have a harness similar to the one you just took out, and this one does, so it should hook up to that, just like yeah, it fits right in there. And then this particular light has these LEDs in it, and it comes with a, I don't know why they just didn't connect it at the factory, but it's either a step-up transformer or a capacitor for these LEDs. I don't know which one it is, but we're just gonna plug that right back up here, just like that. And then we're going to slide this capacitor in there and tuck all the wire back in there as best we can. Make sure when you're putting this thing on that the gasket lines up and the screw holes line up. I guess if you line up the screw holes, the gasket will definitely line up. That would be my goal, is to line up the screws first and foremost. Yeah, it seems like it's going to fit pretty well. And before you put the screws in, you want to give it a test, make sure everything's coming on. You can have somebody in the truck do the reverse lights and the brake lights and the running lights, or you can do like me. You can put a brick on the brake pedal and turn on the cargo lamp. And after you do all that, man, doesn't that look cool? I am really happy with that. That is so cool looking. So now that we know everything works, this one comes with gaskets for your screws here, so we're going to put these little round gaskets on these screws, and then we're going to screw them in. They gave me 4 in this pack, but I only need 2, which is nice of them. And that brings us to the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. I know I did. This is cool. I really like this one. Please like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day.